All right, what is good, everybody? Welcome to the Spiritual War Room. I'm the Oracle, here with another zodiac reading for the sign of Capricorn. All right, Capricorn, we're going to start with the message and then we'll clarify. Before we jump into this, don't forget to show me some love, like, share, subscribe. Remember, guys, when you send me good energy, I send that good energy back. All right, Capricorn, let's see what message wants to come out for you. I'm not taking that because I flipped it. Hopefully we get some different energy, man. We need some different energy up in here, right? All right, Capricorn, what is going to come through for you? All right. All right, Capricorn, we have Judgment on the Queen of Wands. Somebody could have... on the Queen of Wands. Okay. Why? Let's use this deck. Let's see what the Judgment card is. I'm not really sure what this is just yet, Capricorn. It could have been because of somebody either did, because somebody offered you something that was like no good. Like, this is like selling you a lemon. Yeah, taking advantage of your good nature. They offered you something and then like took it away. They're mad. They were mad that you made them mad, and so they took it away from you. They're like, oh, blinded by money. So much so that their money went poof and disappeared. Judgment on this Queen of Wands. So it could be this Queen of Wands calling judgment, or it's happening to this Queen of Wands, Capricorn. Let's see, what's the... Okay, so what's the Queen of Wands? Yeah, the Queen of Wands is the one going through this. Judgment's being called on, or judgment's... Okay, so with justice and judgment, it's like, it's almost like this is karma. This person could be losing out on finances, being rejected, because they've got a lot of joy out of being cruel to someone else. So that's why judgment's here for this Queen of Wands. Capricorn, you could be this Queen of Wands, or you could be the one who did this Queen of Wands did dirty to. What's the Knight of Pentacles? Okay, the Queen of Wands could be getting, could have all this shit going on in her life, loss of fortune, loss of, like a falling from grace. Because this Queen of Wands could have paid people to this Queen of Wands paid someone, this King of Spokes, to go to someone, probably this Queen of Scoops, to pretend to I don't know, play house, be in a relationship with this person, to play on them. Like, they wanted to play this person for a fool because this person was very loving, right? Go and act like you want a partnership with them. Make them believe that you're going to give them everything that they want. And then leave and let their shit come crashing down. Their whole life got to come crashing down. So this Queen of Wands paid someone to do that. Probably to take someone's fortune. Somebody was like, someone had some kind of position of authority. Spiritual authority. This Queen of Wands wanted a third party, which could have been that fake love interest, to get like behind their doors, you know, get into their house. So that way this Queen of Wands can flip this shit upside down. Loss of status. Yeah, that's what this Queen of Wands wanted. So what's the Five of Pentacles? I heard she's stranded stranded in my land. She thought she could get over it. She thought she had like a group that was loyal to her. So these people are like jumping ship. Yeah, they don't want that smoke, man. They don't want that smoke with the High Priestess. Eee! They know what's coming to them if they try to fuck with this one. And so they're jumping ship, and that's why she's out in the cold, because she's left to have to deal with this by herself, because all her little flying monkeys, you know, got scared and took off. So yeah, nowhere to be found, no support, nowhere to be found. All this magic that she did backfired. And so whatever she wanted to create for someone else is happening to her, and now, you know, she can't move forward. Fall from grace. Yeah, a fall from grace, where she had, oh, we got the devil right there, where this person actually thought they could have had some kind of position of authority. They're gonna be from, you know, having a good time and being on top to I just heard working at McDonald's. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but you know, this is a fall from grace. Somebody who was like CEO having to flip burgers now because they wanted to be evil in their deeds to other people, to keep other people from being able to make money, from keeping other people from being able to move forward. They wanted to create conflict and chaos and destruction and you know, failures. They wanted this person to fail. The only one who failed was this Queen of Wands. Judgment's being called. So everything that this Queen of Wands put out for someone else is going right back to her. Well, Capricorn, I hope you're on the right side of this, because whoever she was working against, they're going to be blessed. And if you were on this end, yeah. Brush up on your grilling skills. All right, Capricorn, that's what I have for you. Don't forget to check out the description box for more information on how to schedule your own personal readings if you feel called to do so. If not, and this is where I leave you, have a great one, Capricorn.